When you plan to get a specific geocache, but you're not sure what it's like when you get there, and you're faced with this, yeah, it's pretty darn cool. Let's go get one of the Cache Across America caches. Kind of reminded of our trek across the desert with the Hailmeister for Arizona's oldest geocache, but at least this one is on a trail, and we just got to follow the trail, a couple little turns till we find the geocache.
And it's not 40 degrees.
We've got a cache coming up before our target cache, just off the side of the trail, 75 meters away and closing. It's called something to do with rocks. I don't know where they can get a title like that. It just buzzed. We're within 10.
5, maybe in this area.
Check under here.
Ah, suspicious pile of rocks.
Mm-hmm.
Ta-da!
A whiz bang.
Oh, got it.
We are close off the trail.
Ha! Got it!
Yeah, no, I see it. It's right under there. I don't know if you can get at it from there. There we go.
Cache Across America.
Woohoo!
For Nevada.
And this was our target. The Cache Across America for Nevada. GC4BQEX. Got it. When searching for Cache Across America caches, you must make sure to check for the code. And the code is under my finger. You'll have to come to get this one all on your own. Another Cache Across America geocache.
If you need to know more about it, look up geocachingcentral.com.
Yep, our friends have links there, videos, and a map to show you where all of the caches are all across America. Get going to Cache Across America. Don't forget, you need the code and a photo of you with the cache container. I find it very interesting, the geology of the area with the Red Rock Canyon with the red bands through the mountain, and then hundreds of meters away from the mountain and you've got red rocks mixed in with all the other colors of the mountain. How did they get from there to here? It's just amazing. A big rock like this, how did it get here, and when was it put here? Remember, whenever you come on hikes like this, take plenty of water, layered clothing, and be prepared for anything. And if you come in the summer, make sure you've got lots of water. Right now it's about 10 degrees Celsius, and not needing much water, but I've got it just in case.
When you're out walking in the desert, watch out, because sometimes the cactus bite.
Yeah, and it hurts.
Ouch. Keep watching, there's more caches to be found.
Where will geocaching take you? This next one is on the left.
On the left?
On the left, 10 meters left. To the back. To the rear.
In the rear, I got it. Oh, hanger.